Okay, so good day, grade 4. So our lesson for today is all about addition of similar and dissimilar fraction, or let's say this is the addition of fraction rather. So when we adding a fraction, take note na meron tayong similar and dissimilar fraction wherein magkaiba yung procedure ng dalawang ito. So for example, unahin natin itong similar fraction. So for example, we have here example number 1. So example number 1. Meron ako ditong 1/8 plus 3/8. Okay. So these steps in adding similar fraction, so kung mapapansin nyo, our denominator is the same, wherein this is a similar fraction. So the first step is add the numerator. So ang numerator natin is 1 and 3, so i-add natin siya. Meron tayong 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. The next step is copy the denominator. So kukopyahin lang natin itong denominator. And the last step is always express the answer into lowest term if possible. So kung posible lang siya. So paano nga ba natin malalaman kung posibleng i-lowest term ang ating answer? So by getting the GCF or think or mag-iisip lang tayo ng number na pwedeng compatible sa numerator and denominator. So gagamit tayo dito ng division. So magdi-divide lang tayo. So sa 4 and 8, ang possible na number na pwedeng ma-divide without remainder is number 4. So therefore, the final answer is, if we divide it, 4 divide 4, we have 1 over 8 divide 4, we have 2. So therefore, this is our final answer. So this is proper fraction. So dinivide lang natin to, or ni-reduce lang natin siya into lowest term. Now, how about kapag ganito naman yung case ng ating fraction? So take note, ulitin ko, similar fraction pa rin tayo. So meron naman ako ditong another example. Example number 2. Okay. So what if meron naman ako ditong 3/4 plus 2/4. Okay. So mapapansin nyo, similar pa rin. And then the first step nga is add the numerator. So we have here 3 plus 2, we have 5. So 3 plus 2, we have 5. Next, copy the denominator, which is number 4. And then express the answer into lowest term if possible. So isa pang isa pang important matter na kapag improper fraction yung ating answer, therefore ilo-lowest term natin siya. So katulad dito, ni-lowest term natin siya since posible siyang ma-lowest term because meron siyang compatible na number na pwedeng i-divide without remainder. So in this case, improper fraction naman, so ulitin ko, pag improper fraction ng ating answer, therefore automatic we will reduce it into lowest term by changing it into mixed fraction or mixed number. So last time tinuro ko na rin to kung paano mag-change. So to change the improper fraction, simply divide the numerator and the denominator. So meron ako ditong 5, i-divide lang daw natin kay denominator. Okay. So 5 divide 4, we have here 1. So 4 times 1, we have here 4. So subtract 5 minus 4, we have 1. So take note, this is our whole number. The remainder is our numerator. And last one is itong ating divisor, this is our denominator. Okay. So, if we rewrite this, so masyadong masikip, dito ko lang susulat yung ating final answer. So, we have here whole number 1, numerator 1, and then denominator na 4. So, this is our final answer. Okay. Now, let's proceed to another example. So, what if ganito naman yung ating situation? So, another paper tayo. Okay. So, example number 3. Example number 3. So, what if ito naman yung ating situation? We have here 2 over 9 plus 3 over 9, and then we have 4 over 9. Okay. So, is equals. So, first, ang rule natin, since similar pa rin siya, is automatic i-add na natin itong numerator. So, 2 plus 3, we have 5. So, 2 plus 3, we have 5. 5 plus 4, we have 9. So, therefore, meron tayong 9 over, and then copy the denominator 9. Okay, so, dito pa lang lagay yung sagot. Yan. So, ulitin ko. 2 plus 3, we have 5. 5 plus 4, we have 9. So, the answer is 9 over 9. So, take note of this concept na kapag ang ating numerator and denominator is magkapareho, therefore, automatic, isa siyang whole number 1. So, automatic, meron tayong whole number 1. So, basta magkapareho yung ating numerator and denominator. So, automatic, whole number 1. So, this is our final answer. Now, paano naman natin malalaman if the answer is, yung answer natin is hindi na kailangang i-reduce into lowest term. So, for example, so itong example na to is wala itong lowest term na tinatawag. So, example number 4. Okay. So, what if meron tayo ditong 3 over 8 plus 4 over 8? Okay. So, ang steps natin is add the numerator. So, 3 plus 4, we have 7. Copy the denominator, we have 8. So, since ang answer natin is 7, 8, and wala tayong number na pwedeng i-divide sa kanila na compatible, therefore, hindi na siya kailangan i-lowest term. So, this is our final answer. So, that is the difference between lowest term and yung ordinary lang na wala nang ginagamit na lowest term. Now, let's proceed in dissimilar fraction. So, dissimilar fraction. So, dissimilar fraction na tayo. Similar fraction. Okay. So, when we say dissimilar, ito yung magkatulad yung, hindi magkatulad yung ating denominator. So, for example, we have here example number 5. So, take note that this is dissimilar fraction. So, for example, meron naman ako ditong 3 over 8 plus 2 over 6. Okay. So, mapapansin nyo, this is dissimilar fraction since our denominator is dissimilar or hindi magkatulad. So, naiiba yung procedure na to kaysa kanina since kanina naka-similar fraction tayo. So, answeran na natin. So, the steps in dissimilar fraction or to solve this. So, first, meron tayong tinatawag na LCD. So, LCD stands for least common denominator. So, ulitin ko. LCD stands for least common denominator. Okay. So, using the listing method, mahahanap natin itong si LCD. And kapag nahanap na natin si LCD, that will become our new denominator. So, papakita ko. So, meron tayong 8 and then meron tayong 6. So, using the listing method, mahahanap natin itong si LCD. So, we have here 8 and 6. The next number is 16. And we have here 12. Next is 24. And then we have here 18. Next is 32. And then we have here 24. So, kung mapapansin nyo, meron na tayong least common na number. So, this will become our LCD or least common denominator. So, kaya siya tinawag na denominator because itong number na 24 or itong nakuha nating number na to, this will become our new denominator. So, automatic, magkakaroon tayo ng bagong denominator. At kung mapapansin nyo, similar na sila. Now, the next step is we need to multiply the factors na nakuha natin by the numerator. So, for example, ipapakita ko. We have here sa 8. So, sa 8 to. So, meron tayong 1, 2, 3. So, meron tayong tatlong factor dito. So, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 3 times 3, we have 9. So, ulitin ko. Count yung number na nakuha natin sa ating paghahanap kay LCD. So, 1, 2, 3. And then, multiply natin kay numerator. So, 1, 2, 3. So, 3 times 3, we have 9. Next. Ganon din yung gagawin natin dito. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 times 2, we have 8. So, therefore, pwede na natin silang ma-add. Equals. So, 9 plus 8, we have here 17. And then, copy the denominator, which is 24. So, therefore, since hindi na natin siya pwedeng ma-reduce into lowest term, kasi nga, wala namang compatible dito na number, ito na yung ating final answer. So, yan. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Hanapin itong si dissimilar fraction. So, yun lang, grade 4. Hope na nagigets nyo. And then, I will follow up, magpa-follow up pa ako during our synchronous class. So, yun lang. Thank you.